Hi my loves, welcome back to my channel. Now here, and if you see me for the first time, girl, where have you been? I'm going to braid my hair today. I'm so excited. I washed my hair yesterday. Now I'm about to head to the salon so I'll blow dry and do the braids there. This is the inspo that I'm going for, and thankfully I have some extensions here from HOTBRAIDS. So let's unbox and see what's inside. It came with this, the actual hair. This, wow, this packaging is insane. Like, I've received PRs from brands before, but this is definitely top tier because look at all these goodies. There's a hairbrush comb here, different types of comb, edge brush, everything. Like, come on, period. Wow, there's also a tote bag. Can you guys believe? So I'm going to be packing everything I need for the salon inside this cute bag. Oh my god, this is so cute. I love it. I'm so excited to try this color. As you can see, it's going to look amazing on my skin tone. This is the Ash Blond Wavy human hair, braiding hair in length 20. It smells so good, you guys. I'm so excited to go braid my hair. Like, look at this. I already know it's gonna look so good on me. I chose this hair salon from IG because I liked their work and aesthetics. So I already booked an appointment yesterday. Now I'm just explaining what I want with the manager. The style that I'm going for is the trendy lemonade braids with human hair attachment. I'm explaining the length and also give her the extension for her to feel as well. While I was speaking with her, I requested a braider that knows how to handle natural hair, and she called one. Then they showed me my seat. I sat down and we started blow drying my hair using my tension method. I had to teach her that because it was either that or she starts combing my hair directly without crooked teeth comb attachments, you guys can see. And it turns out my method was better, and I guess she learned something new. As my hair was being blow dried, the other staff prepped my hair extensions to match the ash blonde. They mixed color 27 and 30. It wasn't the perfect match, but it was the closest they could get. Then we started braiding. I'm done blow drying now. They're about to start my braids. I'm going for mid small braids that are waist length, and they are braiding in the wavy hair 6 to 7 times on each braid because I wanted it to be super full to have that mermaid boho look that everyone is getting right now. And so far it's going on really well. They are very gentle with my hair. The extension is quite nice and it was not shedding a lot. The salon has a restaurant as well, which is quite convenient, so I ordered something for brunch because I had to leave my house quite early because of the rain. I do not like the fact that they were four doing my hair because I always prefer one person braiding my hair, but they were very fast. As you can see, she's already on the stitching part. So the lady that is doing the stitching is the one that is braiding all the way down to about half of my natural hair, and then another person takes over. That's the best they could do for me, so they can finish the hair quicker. The pattern I chose for my lemonade braid is the most exciting, and I can't wait to see how it all turns out at the end.
Niggas want me to get ratchet, niggas want me to attack it. Put the hood on, they're calling me Cassius. Aren't you like Bob Saget? Greedy, I can't pass it. Eating everything, nigga, no fasting. I don't care what you knew me in the past tense. I ain't no Julian Styles, this ain't no last dance. Way past it, way. Fucking on my ex cause he better date me. Fucking up a check, I don't want no receipt. Mind get possessed, let my spirit speak freely. Hey, my past can't escape me. My pussy precedes me. Why my how the time change? I'm still playing the victim and you still playing the picky. It's so embarrassing. All of the things I keep living inside of me. I can't see it. It's so embarrassing. All of the love I see living inside of me. I can't see, I'm blind. You ain't getting your bitch back. Calm down, shit could be worse, never say that. I don't want pipe down, rather get paid back. Mama told me never shit where you lay at. I don't want righteousness, I hurt too much, I lost too much, I lost too much. I hit my clutch and boom, third day pop out the tomb. I like when you put your gun.
Love yours. No such thing. No such thing as a life that's better than yours. No such thing as a life that's better than yours. Love yours. No such thing as a life that's better than yours. No such thing, no such thing. Heart beating fast, let a nigga know that he alive. Fake niggas mad, snakes in the grass, let a nigga know that he arrived. Don't be sleeping on your level, cause it's beauty in the struggle, nigga. It's beauty in the struggle, nigga. Yeah. It's beauty in the struggle, ugliness in the success. Hear my words and listen to my signal of distress. I grew up in the city and know sometimes we had less. Compared to some of my niggas down the block, man, we were blessed. And life can't be no fairy tale, no once upon a time. But I be goddamn if a nigga don't be trying. So tell me, mama, please, why you be drinking all the time? Cause all the pain he brought you still linger in your mind. Cause pain still lingers on mine. On the road to riches, listen, this is what you find. The good news is, nigga, you came a long way. Bad news is, nigga, you went the wrong way. Being broke is better. Life that's better than yours. No such thing as a life that's better than yours. Think being broke is better. Life that's better than yours. No such thing, no such thing. For what's money without happiness? Or hard times without the people you love? Though I'm not sure what's about to happen next. I ask for strength from the Lord up above. Cause I've been strong so far, but I can feel my grip loosening. Quick, do something before you lose it for good. Get it back and use it for good. And touch the people how you did like before. I'm tired of living with demons cause they always inviting more. Think being broke was better. Now I don't mean that phrase with no disrespect.
You guys, we are done. Finally, the hair is so cute.
They are done with the whole braiding process. Now it's time to dip my hair inside hot water, and they dipped the whole hair inside hot water, including the human hair. And I was really worried because I've not seen this ever done before. Other braiders will just put mousse on the human hair, and that's just enough to get the curls pop. But then she said she's going to dry it so that the fluffy, cute, wavy look comes out. So yeah, this is exactly what she did. She proceeded to comb the hair and comb the extension and dry it with the blow dryer later until we got that wavy look back. When I tell you this lady laid my edges, she laid my edges so good. I've never been impressed with someone laying my edges like this in my entire life. I didn't even want to wash it off when I go home. She slicked my edges more than me, and this is coming from someone that flicks her edges almost every day of her life.
I've been all in my phone, I got options. And I don't wanna tell you to drop it, but I don't wanna play your fair. Yeah, something that makes me look at you too often. Oh, baby, you can give it something. Baby, I can run all the time. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you running my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I still can check in with you. I know that I need my friends, but I wouldn't wanna leave. You know I wouldn't wanna bleed. Even my heart, my mind, and my body stays. My body stays.
This is the final look, guys, and I'm so obsessed. The color is just so stunning on me, as I presumed that it was going to be. It is super full, wavy, and just it's giving I'm ready for vacation. It's giving I'm ready to just be on the beach enjoying myself, and I'm actually going away for a bit for my friend's birthday. So this is just perfect. I love it so much. If I love my hair, I will always do the happy hair dance, whether I'm the one doing the hair or someone else is doing it for me. Yeah, so I'm happy, I'm impressed. I love my hair so much. The shading is minimal, like I said before. It is so true to length, as you can see. So all the details to this hair will be in my description box, and if you love to try this out, or any human hairstyle this summer, or whatever, Hot Braids, it's your girl. Their packaging 100%, quality of the hair 100%, and shipping was super fast as well. So if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to click on the subscribe button and tap on the notification button for more. I will see you guys in my next vlog. Bye.